Hi everybody, how you doing? Today I'm doing another test ride, and today it's on my friend's bike. It's a 2009 Suzuki SFV650 Gladius. It's a naked bike, 650cc, and it's a V-twin, which is pretty cool. It's a really nice blue and white color, which is pretty nice. And my friend's also put on this, he bought it with this exhaust actually. I don't know how you say that, if it's IXIL or you just say IXIL. But IXIL silencer, it's like a double pipe. It looks really awesome, and the bike sounds insane too. So I'll start it up and I'll take it for a ride. You gotta listen to this exhaust though, it's pretty cool. It sounds insane, so good. Alright, so straight away, it's a fairly upright position. Handlebars are really nice. Oh, listen to that V-twin sound. Sounds amazing. I'm just stuck on this sound at the moment. It sounds so good. Taking it easy because it's my friend's bike. But oh, it sounds so good. Anyway, so cruising a bit now. So goes up to 12,000 RPM. The hope line's at 10.5. It's a fuel injected model, which is nice, as most modern bikes are. It's got a digital speedo, and it's actually got a gear indicator. That's pretty cool. This is the first bike that I've ridden this week that's got a gear indicator, so that's a pretty cool feature. Oh, just listen to that sound. That IXIL, I don't know, I'm just going to call it IXIL. That's how I'm going to pronounce it. But that exhaust sounds so good. That V-twin sound, oh my god, it's amazing. No wonder my friend loves this bike so much. It's so good. So yeah, it's a pretty comfortable position. It's upright. I've noticed that the handlebars, I don't know, with the handlebars it just feels it's a tad more upright than the Kawasaki Ninja and the XJ or the FZ6R I tested. This would be good for commuting. It just sounds amazing. And that V-twin produces some pretty sweet torque. My god, that exhaust is so good! Listen to that shit. Oh, hit the horn. At least we know the horn works. So yeah, 6 gears, that's good. Can't get over that sound. V-twin sounds amazing. What else should I be saying? Oh yeah, so my friend's got custom aftermarket, what's it called, levers on it, for the clutch and the front brake, which is pretty nice. They match the color of the bike. The color of this bike is really nice. It's got really good looks. It looks amazing, and these colors just really set it off. Like the white with the blue frame, it looks awesome. Yeah, nice torque. So obviously this is restricted because it's a 650cc. So it's the Lamb's version. This is actually probably my second favorite bike that I've tested so far. I still prefer the CB400, just a little bit. But this bike's phenomenal. Oh, here we go. Awesome. Just so good. I don't know what to say about it. So yeah, if I had to put all the bikes I've ridden this week in order... Oh yeah, the brakes feel nice. Very nice. So if I had to order all the bikes I've ridden this week, starting from the lowest to the best, FZ6R was definitely my least favorite. Then probably I'd say the MT-03, and then the Ninja 650 in 4th place, MT-03 in 3rd, this in 2nd, definitely. But for me, for my personal preference, I just think the Honda CB400's my favourite so far, and I think that's probably what I'm going to get. But this bike is really nice. Just listen to that sound. It's friggin' sweet. This is probably one of the videos out of all of them where I have done the least talking. Fucking idiot. That kid just said to me, "Do really? How about you get off the road, you dickhead?" I don't have anything intelligent to contribute to this video. It's a fun bike. It's pretty awesome. I highly recommend it. It's just awesome. So this bike without restriction would be pretty sick. You can definitely feel it. You can feel it, like, it sounds like it's going faster than you really are. You just wish it had a bit more in it. I like the seat. Feels good. Yeah, I have to thank my friend for letting me take it out. Better take it back to them now before he gets, you know, concerned that I might have stolen it. And I think this bike's pretty reasonably priced as well. They're all within around the $10,000 mark, or a bit less. Of course, the one I want is the most expensive, but like I said, it's just personal preference. I just really enjoyed the CB400. But yeah, if that CB400 wasn't available to me, I think this is what I would probably go for. It just sounds so good. And it feels really nice as well. God, I love riding so much. This week has been great. I've had heaps of opportunities to ride, but the past 2 months have just been torture. It's so good. Hey, I'm getting all aerodynamic now. That's the one thing with these naked bikes. Obviously, you don't get much wind protection, but it's never really bothered me that much. That V-twin is so good. It sounds ridiculous. I feel like I'm riding a Harley or something. Well, anyway, thanks for watching this somewhat probably boring video on my behalf, but the bike is what makes it interesting. I just didn't have much to say because I just wanted to enjoy every second of it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.